Welcome to Hobbi101. Let's create art together.
You can do it, just take it slow. Every line a masterpiece, let it show.
Hi! Let's start with string 001 for my Tangle Practice Pack. Today I'll be trying out my Sakura Micron Fine Liners that are the black and gold edition. They come in a 6-pack from size 005 all the way to 08. I'll be using this handy Tangle pattern reference sheet that comes as a bonus with my Tangle template pack. Don't forget to watch to the end for a very special something just for you. So Tanglers, can you guess which Tangle pattern I'm drawing? This next Tangle pattern is one of my favorites. Can you guess what it is? I use this pattern a lot. It's easy to remember and makes a nice light and airy fill. I added some variations in this Tangle pattern. Instead of the diamonds, you see some square shapes, and here there's a pentagon, but I ended up converting it into a circle. Remember, in Zentangle, there are no mistakes. This next Tangle pattern adds detail to a tangle, and it's also very whimsical. And this last pattern is one that I use very often. Very easy to remember, and it's also fun to draw. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be using my string 001 template. What I love about these practice sheets is that I can use the same template repeatedly, yet every tangle I create turns out completely different. It always surprises me how unique each one becomes. Check out my other videos and shorts to see more tangles that I've created using this string. Give this string template 001 a try for yourself. You can find a link to the Tangle pack in my online store in the description below. Each Tangle pack includes 5 unique string designs in 3 different sizes. It's a 17-page digital PDF that you can download and print as many times as you like for endless tangle practice. To add variety to this tangle, I'm going to use my very fine 005 micron pen. So this will add a lighter touch to the image. Now I'm going to change it up a bit. I'm going to use my 08 micron pen just to add a little bit more depth to this tangle. I always think of rivers every time I draw this tangle. So relaxing. Next, I'm going to take my finest nib pen, the 005 micron, to make really thin and delicate lines. When tangling grid patterns, try experimenting. You can draw lines that are just very straight and perpendicular to each other, or you can curve them out so that it adds a little bit more perspective and a little more interest. When creating your tangle, you can stop at any point and consider your tangle as done. Sometimes I can't stop tangling, so I add more patterns. In this case, I just felt like drawing swirls, as I find drawing them very calming. The final step is shading, and it's what brings the magic to the artwork. You don't have to add shading, but I highly recommend it because it adds depth, contrast, and a sense of dimension that makes your design come to life. I'm using a regular HB pencil, since it's what I had on hand, along with a thin blending stump to softly blur the shadows around the edges of the shapes for an extra touch of depth. I also use a thin eraser just to erase some spots where I oversmudged. And the final step is to add your mark. And here's the finished tangle. Alright, you made it to the end. So here's a little something for you. I put together a free Zentangle String Starter Pack just for you. It includes 2 free string templates and a bonus tangle pattern reference sheet. Grab yours in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tangle session. Now go make some magic with your pen happy tangling. Thanks for watching.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.